Hello, welcome. I know it's been a while since my last upload, but I just thought I'd make a quick video of what's inside my truck. New job. I've got a new phone. Let's have a look inside because I've got shorts on and it's November and I'm in the middle of Scotland. It's a bit cold. Let's go inside. Let's have a look because I'm fucking freezing. Right, let's get my shoes off. I don't take shoes inside here because I live here. Hang on one moment. There we go. Closed. Right, so we're in the truck. Steering wheel is on the right side. Right as in correct as well. You can adjust it using a pedal here. Press it. Goes in, out, up, down, any way you like it. Got buttons for the driver's window, work, passenger window, mirror adjustments, top mirror, left side, bottom side, right side, top, bottom, heated mirrors, lock the doors, got heating controls, air conditioning, which you don't need now because it's a bit nippy, direction, hot and cold, we've got radio, which is touchscreen radio, or you can use the buttons on the steering wheel as in the car. Got built-in sat nav. Let's put that in ignition. Automatic. The levers are just attached to the seat, so that's just in a down position. Press that. We're in neutral. You got automatic. You got a semi-automatic setting which you can change up, change down. I just leave it in auto. Unless I'm going up a hill. Reverse there, and that's just, it's not park, but you know, it's out the way so you don't catch your leg on it. Right, yeah, as I said, I've got a new phone. That's my old phone. I ran out of memory on that, so that's why there's been no videos lately. Got your park brake, which is on, which is good. Got a diff lock, which helps you get out of muddy fields sometimes. Traction control. That's your diff lock. Traction controls. That's the middle axle on the unit, on the tractor, is lift axle, so you can lift it up and lower it down. That'll be your level control. That's a hill start, which leaves the brakes on until you press the accelerator. You have your emissions, engine regen. That is to adjust your fifth wheel length, so it comes closer or further away, and that's your reversing alarm, because some people forget they've got a reversing alarm button and parking a truck stop in the middle of the night with the fucking alarm going, and it's a pain in the arse and I hate it. Little storage shelf here, got my wallets here, pen, my glasses on this little shelf, my reading glasses, two cup holders, so I've got an ashtray in one. I can close over if my charge cable's not in it. Yeah, there we go. Another little storage box. I've got my tablets and shit in there. That would shut down, but leave it open. Another drawer with my paperwork, run sheets, my car keys, another set of sunglasses, which is spares because the arm's broke on it. Yeah, my smokes, my filters, my lighter, my charge cable for my work phone, which is there. Sunglasses, good ones, the good kind. Right, what we got? We've got storage, another storage here with some food in, and a little mirror. Hi. Hello. It folds away. It should stay up, but the piston here is lacking. Some food here, storage, wash bag, wash kit, that's your tacho, which logs your hours. You put a little card in, it's the size of a credit card. It tells you how long you've been driving for. When you have, registers your brakes, your speed, your distances, all that caper in case you get stopped by the police or transport ministry. There's another storage, my bag that I bring to work, another storage with my clothes in, why I've got so many boxes of Special K, I'll tell you. I went to a place yesterday, Kellogg's, and they kindly said, do you like Special K, driver? And I said, yes, I do. Help yourself to a couple of boxes. So I did. In here, we got the microwave, which is great, and a kettle. Well, they're not built in, it's fitted in, it's screwed down on this bracket here, so it's not mine. Just here we've got an inverter which converts from 24 volts to 240, which is the operating system in the UK. So you can plug anything you want in it. I've got my extension cable, it's plugged into the inverter there, so I'll just leave everything plugged into that and just switch it on when I need it. Kettle, which is good because I like having a cup of tea in the morning. For that, I bring, that's my shit bin, sorry. I bring 10 litre bottle, it's on its side with a bungee cord. 10 litres of water, just 2 gallons of water. More than enough for a week. Got another little storage thing here. More food. And here we've got the fridge freezer. This side of the freezer, I don't generally use it just to get drinks cold because I take dilute juice, mix it with water, some microwave chicken things, some milk from a cereal, put that away, and the bed here. Oh, let's put the interior lights on because we're a bit dark. Yeah, my bed here, it's over night time. Seats can knock down, the handle's missing on that one, I have to play with that. You close, you open these curtains. Got one on the other side as well. It pulls round. Put the blind down to there. Keeps it pretty dark. And bed. And that's how I live. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll try and make a video soon when I get some editing software. Till then, see you later. Bye bye.